Net asset value or NAV simplified. So what is NAV? NAV is the price per unit of a mutual fund scheme, like the price per share of a company. It measures how much each unit of a mutual fund scheme is worth. NAV can be calculated by deducting liabilities from assets and dividing that by number of units. What is assets? Assets include the market value of scheme investment and current assets including accrued income. Liabilities include current liabilities and provisions including accrued expenses like management fee, custody charges, commission to distributors and brokers, and marketing expenses, etc. Number of units mean total number of units of the mutual fund scheme on any particular date. Now let's understand this with an example. You and your 3 friends decided to pull in 150 rupees each to buy a large pizza costing 600 rupees. Each friend got 2 slices each from that pizza. Thus, the unit cost of each slice comes at 75 rupees. That is 600 pizza divided in 8 slices. Now, just replace the pizza with a mutual fund scheme. Let's assume there is a mutual fund scheme with total assets under management, that is AUM, of 600 rupees with 8 outstanding units. The scheme had 4 investors who held 2 units each. Thus, the NAV of each scheme unit comes at rupees 75. 600 rupees AUM divided by 8 outstanding units. NAV calculation. How are NAV calculations done? NAV of mutual fund scheme changes every business day since the market value of securities it holds changes every business day. Now let me burst the myth. One should invest in a scheme with a lower NAV. Let's assume there is a scheme A whose NAV is 50 rupees and a scheme B whose NAV is 100 rupees. You invest 10,000 rupees in each fund. In scheme A, you have bought 200 units. In scheme B, you have bought 100 units. After 1 year, if portfolio value increased by 20% for both the schemes, then both scheme A and B will have value of investments of 12,000 rupees. Thus, low NAV may not signify that the scheme is underpriced and vice versa. What matters is the performance of the scheme. High NAV should not be a deterrent and low NAV should not be a preference while making a mutual fund investment. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.